Do you ever just have a feeling about something? Like it's deep in your core, it's in your soul, you feel it and you gotta tell somebody else. I've been doing that. Have you ever had a feeling like that? And then the day after you share that feeling, have that feeling reaffirmed by a man worth hundreds of millions of dollars to the point where he's basically paraphrasing exactly what you say? I did today. I'm Cody from Wall Street Breakdown. Jamie Dimon over at JP Morgan Chase, he is not a fan of Bitcoin, much like myself. Yesterday during his earnings call for JP Morgan, he said he was no longer going to talk about Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. He was over it. He did not care. His firm does not deal in it. He doesn't want anything to do with it. And then today at the International Finance Conference, Jamie Dimon, 24 hours later, got on stage and said, this is not paraphrasing. If you're stupid enough to buy it, you'll pay the price for it one day. I agree. 100% Jamie Dimon, you are taking the words and my beliefs on this Bitcoin right out of my mouth. In fact, I said that yesterday. See, Jamie Dimon says he likes the blockchain technology, basically the way that Bitcoin makes itself, the way that new Bitcoins are added to the currency structure. And I talked about that yesterday. It is a inflationary hedge. It's relatively smart. I mean, I'm not entirely sure you could implement it in times of woe. It's not going to work the same way as, like when the Fed cuts interest rates and adds more, currency to the marketplace to try to engage lenders to do more lending to, hope to spur on an economy that might be struggling. You're not going to get that with Bitcoin because the allocated amount of money that's in this system is going to be there and it's going to be predictable. So it's a little different. You're not going to have humans be able to come in and kind of move things around that might suit things in the short term and then be able to pull back or change the plan later on. This plan kind of executes itself. But he did also say he doesn't understand the value of a non-fiat digital currency not backed by a government. That's exactly what I think. And that's the thing that keeps me from thinking that this is anything but speculative, because when will it be taken on? And where will it be taken on? By what major country? I don't see it happening. I just don't see the implementation on a big scale. So right now, while it's underground and it's moving around, it makes a lot of mainstream news because it's new and it's somewhat innovative. The idea is innovative, and everybody wants to think they're on the ground floor of a new idea that's going to change the way, society looks at things. In this case, the way society looks at finances. I just don't see it as plausible, unfortunately. Countries can't agree on things about anything. You take a look at how difficult the EU is. That euro is it's an issue over there. There's some countries propping up a lot of other countries that I think if they could go back, they would get out of the euro. You're expecting countries to just adopt this currency system, or you're expecting a one world type of a government to adopt this currency system? I just do not think this is plausible. Jamie Dimon can't keep his mouth closed about it, even when he said he was going to. I can't seem to keep mine closed about it either, because I'm concerned about your money. I'm concerned that you're going to go out and invest in something dangerously speculative, and you're going to lose your hat. And I don't want to see that. So please consult with your licensed professional financial advisor. Do your due diligence. Make sure that anything you're investing in is properly allocated to the portfolio that you're trying to build and fits into your risk tolerance. This I would consider to be 100% speculative. This or any other cryptocurrency for that matter. That's just my opinion. I'm Cody from Wall Street Breakdown. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button. Click the notification bell. Leave a thumbs up for this video. And leave me a comment. Let me know, do you agree? What do you think about Bitcoin? You think Jamie Dimon maybe oversteps his bounds? You think he maybe has an agenda as to why he doesn't like Bitcoin? I'd love to hear from you. We love hearing from you. We also want you to have a fantastic weekend. Thanks for stopping by.